you can't speak fast. Your mind freezes and your words sound forced because you keep translating everything you want to say in your head before trying to speak. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to stop translating in your head and start thinking in English naturally. Hello and welcome back to my English struggles. This is day 27 of my 30-day English speaking challenge. Today I'm talking about why people keep stuck on a certain level when they're learning to speak a language fluently. Here we are going to focus on English even though what I'm going to say can be applied to any other language. So, why translation blocks you? When you translate word by word, your brain does double work. First, it understands your native language. Then it tries to find the English version. That delay makes you lose confidence and flow. It's like trying to run a marathon while carrying a heavy backpack. You move, but slowly. Thinking in English removes that weight. It frees your mind to express ideas instead of words. But the truth is, translating in your head is normal. It's part of learning. Your brain is trying to protect you from mistakes by speaking directly, but it also keeps you stuck. You stay in your comfort zone, repeating what you already know instead of learning to think directly in English. But the good news is anyone can train their brain to switch, and I'll show you exactly how. So this is how you stop translating and start thinking in English. Firstly, you need to think in simple English. Don't try to sound smart. Start with easy words. You can, for example, say what you see. This is my phone. I'm sitting. It's sunny. In fact, your goal is fluency, not perfection. Secondly, describe what you see or feel. When you walk, when you cook, when you wait, use English in your head. Say something like, I'm opening the door, I'm tired but happy, I'm recording a video, people are watching me. By doing so, little by little, your brain builds connections. Thirdly, stop chasing perfect grammar. Fluency comes from mistakes, and even native speakers make them. They make mistakes. And even in your mother tongue, you make mistakes. So why won't you make them in a language you're learning? So focus on expressing meaning, not rules. Finally, surround yourself with English. Basically, everyone knows this. Watch YouTube in English, think in English, even talk to yourself in English. Yes, out loud when you're inside, when you're outside, anywhere. The more your brain hears the language, the faster it adapts. This is how you train your brain to think in English naturally. There's nothing more. I don't think so. When you stop translating, you also stop doubting. You speak faster, sound more natural, and feel more confident. You stop comparing yourself to others because now you are building your own English identity. Thinking in English isn't about speaking perfectly, it's about speaking freely while enjoying the process of your self improvement. So, next time you catch yourself translating, don't get angry, smile. It means your brain is learning to switch. You just need to give it a small boost. You already are becoming fluent, and that boost is what is going to make it effective. If this video helped you, comment below. I'm learning to think in English. Tell me what you found most useful. I read every comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because this 30-day English speaking challenge continues. And every day, our English becomes more natural, fluent, and real. See you in the next video. Cheers.